But one day, there's a peculiar, foreign change of colors in the sky. This kind of blend and hue of colors is something that nobody in this ship has ever witnessed before. And the captain also saw this. He was admiring it, looking at it, and of course, he's just keeping everything that he felt to himself. And then he steps away from the wheel, disappears, and the ideas had to take over because they were a bit surprised with what happened to the ocean, to the skies, because the ocean also is behaving in a way that intensifies the colors of the sky, and they have not seen that kind of vibrance before, or brightness even. So captain walks out again, and suddenly it was as if he just instinctively knew that it was time to release his authority to the ship. Because it's as if he knew that there will be an entity that's more fit to give directions. And of course, he's right. The ship cannot go without a captain. Someone will take the wheel. Someone of the same ship that he knows very well that exists, but this entity also knows that Captain Tortured Artist will step away when it's ready, when he's ready. And the ideas, as for the ideas, under Captain Tortured Artist's rule, or when Captain Tortured Artist was still the one driving the ship, some ideas committed mass some jumped off the ship, some went to other ships who has a captain that's bleeding less, some jumped into a black hole and maybe hopefully hoping to come out on the other end. But some ideas that maybe were held by the spirit of the ship, or one with the spirit of the ship, it's as if they know that there will be a time that Captain Tortured Artist will release the authority of the wheel. It's as if they can see all the layers of time, so it didn't even occur to them to leave, because they know that when time comes, someone will take over and they will be converted into earth form or language, because the it has to be converted into earth form, because the assignment of the ship currently is to earth. So it has to have that captain that is of earth. So even the ones that took over after Captain Tortured Artist released the wheel, he is also of earth. He has the same elements that Captain Tortured Artist is made of. It's just that they are arranged in a different way. So his eyes and his mind knows or can think of other fuels apart from his own blood. But they have the same heart. They are both dominated by the heart, which is a wild one, a brave one, a fiery heart. A heart maybe even has a heart that might be even bigger than the ship itself. So it could get heavy sometimes, as maybe you have already guessed. But yeah, nonetheless, Captain Tortured Artist is really happy to finally rest. And of course, every now and then he will donate some bags of fuel, because that's what he knows to do. That's somehow his nature, to donate his own meaning of fuel. And of course, the new leader will accept this, because it's a valuable contribution, and the ideas also know what to do with it, and the ship has recognized it as its fuel as well. But it won't be the main thing anymore. There is some other thing. I wish I can describe to you, or I can name for you the new captain of the ship, but as of now I can't. I don't have that ability. I can see some fragments of him, but maybe it's unwise to put letters on his existence still, because it's still it's just images and feelings. And if you put a name, if one puts a name or an image, or a name, or if one puts a name on feelings or images too soon, it will not reveal itself properly. That's one thing I know to be true. That's one thing. I'm so happy with this. I guess I would like to end this with something that I also realized this morning. I understand now why they say that the artist should be separated from the art. I understand now why. Because the art of the artist is art. It is art, his art. But his mind, his heart, maybe his eyes, or maybe his existence itself, it's a revolution. So, yeah. See you. Mic check. Mic check. I hope with this distance I can still be heard. I'm gonna get out of the way. But I'll be back. I'm just gonna put on my gloves. So this is a bit of a gamble because I'm not sure if I will be heard in here. I hope I am. If I learned that I was not, then